In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix update iOS when you are low on storage. Let's get started. The first and simplest method is to open settings, go to general and tap in software update. Here you will see any available updates. Where it's a smaller update or a major new iOS version, just tap download and install to get started. However, if your storage is nearly full, you might get an error saying there is not enough space. While your iPhone can sometimes temporarily offload apps to make room, it does not always work. In that case, the second method is to connect your iPhone to your computer. On your Mac, open Finder and select your device. Then choose the option to update iOS. The method downloads the update files directly to your computer instead of your phone, so storage won't be an issue. You may also see a prompt about transferring purchases, which you can skip if needed. Also make sure your PC is fully updated, as that can sometimes block the process. Before updating, it's always a good idea to back up your data using iCloud or your computer. Once everything is ready, start the update, wait for it to complete, and then your iPhone will restart with the latest iOS version installed. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.